I'm getting her, sir. Okay. I'm getting her. She's my baby, okay? She's my daughter. Hold on.
Okay. Well, I mean, she just hit somebody and fled.
She's terrified. She's never been in trouble in her life.
Southwest 56.
In early June of 2024, a drunk driving incident in Albuquerque, New Mexico, involved 3 vehicles. Witnesses said 2 people ran from the vehicle. They described one of the suspects as a heavy-set woman fleeing from the scene, and sheriff deputies found an interesting piece of evidence from the neighbors.
102, I'm at you.
Oh, this is her phone?
Yeah, and that's the shoes over there.
Same traffic. 290.
Una loca que pasó corriendo madre. Una señora.
Never mind. You're good. I'm just gonna call. I'm gonna 911 on our offender's phone so I get her 49.
Perfect, answer Becca.
Hey, I'm gonna call 911 off the offender's phone. Can you answer it?
3570.
3557. Hang on.
Detail westbound on Mount Place with -25 will be 10:17.
How far? You want me specifically to answer it or anyone?
I don't care who answers it. I just want to make sure before I call 911 that you guys know.
Okay, yeah. Just when you get it, just let them know that it's you.
All right, thanks.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, it's 209.
Hi.
Hi, can you, does there caller ID or anything that comes back for this phone?
Yeah, I have the number here.
Hello, Sheriff's Office.
Hi.
How's it going? Can you come on, talk to us, please?
Should be right here. One second, sir. I did.
Hey, Dave, can you come on, talk to us, please? We're at the Sheriff's Office. You guys doing okay?
Can you step out and talk to us? That looks kind of old though.
Yeah.
313 so. Male answered the door. There was a female speaking in the background. They're refusing to come outside and speak with us. Male answered the door. There was a female in the background. They're refusing to come outside and talk to us.
You're Leticia there right now?
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Can we talk to you for a minute?
Yeah.
We're at the Sheriff's Office.
Hi.
Are you able to come out and talk to us?
Yeah, what's the problem? Hold on.
Go ahead.
Is that your son that was in there?
Hi.
Hi. We're investigating
10-4. Female just stepped out. What's the name?
Okay. Yeah. Well, I was fixing to go back right now. So, just give me a second, okay?
10-4.
Can you stay here with us?
Yeah.
We don't want you to go back in the house. Just come over here for a minute. Just
Okay, can I grab my phone from right there?
We don't want you to go back in the house. Just for safety reasons. It's part of our procedure.
I know, but my grandbabies are in there. Let me grab my grandbabies at least to make sure they're okay.
How old are they?
My granddaughter, I have 3. 15, 10, and them.
Can our partners check on them real quick?
Yeah, but I want to check on them. They're I haven't done anything wrong. So I'm not going to be held here because I haven't done anything wrong.
You just said you were going to go back, though.
Yeah, to go check on the vehicle. That vehicle's under my name. But I haven't done anything.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm just going to go check on my grandbabies.
You were driving that vehicle? Or?
No, but I'm going to go check on my grandbabies real fast.
Well,
okay?
you were just inside, and then there's a male inside, correct?
There's no man in there. It's my grandson. He's
Okay.
only 14, 15.
Okay. Well, I'm sure he'll let us know if there's something wrong with
I
him.
know, but I
right?
haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, well, we
So-
need to talk to you to figure that out. We need to get some information.
It's not like you said you were going to go back over there.
Yeah, because I just got here. So let me just, hold on, give me a minute. I just want to check on my grandkids and I'll be right back.
Well, let us get some more information from you.
Okay, but I'm not going to give no information right now until because I haven't done anything
What's
wrong,
your
you
name?
guys. Veronica Contreras.
Okay. So that you said that vehicle's registered to you?
Yes. ma'am.
Okay. So who is using the vehicle?
That's what I'm trying to find out right now.
So you don't know who had your car?
No.
No idea.
Well, I kind of have an idea, but I'm trying to find it out. Like, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm trying to find out. I'm a nervous wreck right now. My granddaughter's crying. I just want to check on her. That's all I want to do.
Okay. Do you mind just
If you
keeping
could
the
come in
door
there with
open?
me. Yeah, I'd leave the door open.
Okay.
Yes. I haven't done nothing wrong, you guys. I promise. Hold on.
So she says her name is Veronica Gutierrez. The car is
Yep.
registered to her.
Yep. Where's Leticia?
Boys?
Don't let him out. Sorry. It's in the process of moving out of here. Give me 1 second.
Where's Leticia at? Ma'am.
I'm getting her, sir.
Okay.
I'm getting her. She's my baby, okay? She's my daughter. Hold on.
Okay. Well, I mean, she just hit somebody and fled.
She's terrified. She's never been in trouble in her
Okay.
life. You know what
Go
I
ahead
mean?
and step
She's
outside.
my baby. She's my daughter.
Go ahead and step outside.
She's scared. You don't talk to anybody. She get a lawyer. All she wanted me was to come. She was terrified. She's never been in an accident before.
I'm not gonna put you in handcuffs yet. Do you have shoes or anything?
You're okay, Mama. You're okay, baby.
That's fine.
Wait.
No, you haven't done anything wrong,
hold
Tisha.
on, hold
Wait,
on.
baby. Wait. She's terrified. She's never been in trouble in her life. You guys could check her record, everything. She has never been in trouble in her
Okay.
life.
Do you want to grab her shoes so she's not walking on the rocks?
You can have these, baby.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, here, Mama, take these. Well, let me go get your other ones, your flat ones. Hold on. And there's no males in there.
I'll talk to you in a second, okay? I'll read you your Miranda warning, and then if you want to... Okay, that's fine. I'm going to read you that, and I'm going to read you the implied consent for being intoxicated while driving, okay?
Can I see if anybody has
Okay.
jumping cables to my vehicle?
Yeah, if you want.
Do you have jumper cables?
Where you at, sir?
Do you have jumper cables?
I do.
Please just give us some space. Okay, give them some space.
Break to the south of what was
Is Jeremiah here too, or just her?
Step off, be right there.
My grandson's
Broadway
right there.
and River Road.
Because
He's 10.
Okay, we were just told there was a male and a female.
No, there's no male here. Yeah, no, my daughter's single mother, 3 kids. I'm the
I'm
grandmother.
just saying all the witnesses that saw her flee from the vehicle said there was also a male that ran from the
No,
vehicle
you
too.
guys want to come out?
No, it's okay.
Okay, because just my grandkids, and I told them to go to the back room. If you want to come and check, you can, but they're just in there. I
Okay.
promise you, I'm not gonna lie.
If she's
That their statement
It's
what
lying.
the fuck? Because there was no man.
There wasn't.
so it was just only her driving then.
I wasn't here. That's what you
Okay.
guys are trying to question me about stuff I do not know.
Okay.
I just got here.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. You injured at all, Leticia? No. All right. You're still gonna have to get checked out anyways.
I'm not gonna go to a cop. I'm not gonna do that.
That's fine. I'm just making sure nobody. If there's a male too, I just want to make sure he's not injured.
Until the area. Everything is supervised with any ATVs in the area. Anytime.
Were the kids in the car? Did they need to be evaluated or anything? I know. I'm just saying. I don't. If the kids are in the car,
Yeah, that I know of, no. That I know of. But
so they don't need to.
I wasn't here, but that I know of, no.
Do you want us to get them checked out just in case?
No. I'm gonna go calm my
There
grandkids
was
down. I'll
nobody
be right
else
back.
in the car.
I know, Tisha, but I'm gonna go check on the babies. And I'll
I
be
know,
right
I'm just
back.
saying
I
though.
know.
Why he keeps
I
saying
know.
that?
I don't know.
Okay. We can walk her to my unit. No, do you have a Miranda card on you? You have one? That's fine. There's a jacket in my back seat. I need to move it first.
For the speedway at 2nd and Rail Bravo. Everything's 10-4 and I'll be trained.
I know, just
Is it under you?
You don't have to seatbelt today. You just grab your Miranda card real quick. Okay. Like I said, you told me.
I want a lawyer.
Okay. So do you not want to talk whatsoever about the crash or anything like that?
I want a lawyer.
Okay. I'm not going to read you your Miranda warning then. I won't ask you any questions about the crash. Only thing I will ask you, because I believe you were obviously involved in the crash.
I want a lawyer, dude. Like, come on, take me to jail. I want a lawyer.
Beyond that, though, how fast, or
I want
can't
a
ask you,
lawyer.
right?
Why
Are you injured or anything?
Why do you keep asking me stuff? I
Are you
already told him
injured?
I'm not injured. I want a lawyer.
Okay. All right. Sit back for me. I got to grab your seatbelt.
I'm trying. That's all I could go back.
Like, put your head back.
I'm trying. It hurts. I'm sorry. I don't even know why you guys are sending me with this guy if he's being so rude. I can't go back anymore. My arms are hurting.
Okay. So I'm going to take you to the hospital because you still got to get evaluated, okay? You can tell them to fuck off or whatever you want to do, but since you were involved in a crash, you need to go to the hospital, okay?
I want a lawyer. I never said I was involved in
I understand you want a lawyer. I'm not asking you questions about the crash, okay?
Well, then why do you keep talking to me? Just send me.
Because I'm telling you what you're doing, okay? I'm telling you where we're going, so I'm not leaving you in the dark. I'm going to sit you in front of an intoxilizer too. I'll read you the implied consent. I assume you're going to refuse it with the way you're acting, but I'll still give you the chance to submit to a breath test, okay? Do you guys do you have an implied consent on you?
Yes, sure.
This fast. There we go.
All right, I'm going to read this to you now, okay? Just listen to it. Again, this is yes or no if you want to do it or not, all right?
No, I don't.
Just listen to it, and then you can answer, okay? I want to at least give you the option, okay? Because there's kind of a difference if you say yes or no to this as far as charges go, okay? All right. Listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important.
I know, but I'm telling you guys I want to lawyer and you keep saying stuff. That's not
Okay,
right.
I can guarantee you that you want to listen to this and make the
go
decision,
ahead.
okay? You're under arrest for driving under the influence. New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take the additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or a laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you want to take our test?
No.
Okay. I cannot. Okay, keep listening. I'm not done yet. I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year if you are convicted in court while driving under the influence. You may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand?
Is that a threat? Or are you guys really trying to help me?
I'm reading off of a card.
He's required by law.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. No. I don't
No?
consent.
Okay.
I want a lawyer.
Okay. Cool. All right. Again, like I said, I'm still going to take you to the hospital, okay?
That's fine, sir. Thank you.
The jail won't take you unless you're evaluated, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right.
I'm sorry for being rude, but you know.
I'm sorry for being rude too. It's just
I know.
I
I
like
position.
You know, you hit a.
I know,
You don't have
I
to
know.
tell me anything, but you hit a car and then ran away. Okay, and you're obviously intoxicated, so it's kind of concerning. Okay, but we'll go to the hospital now. If you have no pain or anything like that, like you can tell them. But if you do, you like go ahead and tell them because I'd rather you be okay before we get to the jail. Okay. All right. Is there even a point of having her in front of the intoxilizer?
If she said no to that, then
okay.
All you have to do is just run it through and just have it 0-0 out.
Is there
a timeout?
Should I even do that? Like, do they need that though?
You don't
Yeah,
have
they
to let
need
it
that.
time out. You can press R. And
Yeah.
it'll just be a refusal.
You just need that slip, the refusal slip.
So who wants to go with me to do that?
I
For what?
can go with you.
Cool. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Go for what?
It's expired.
Let's see, one of the firemen, he handed this off.
If you want to give it to 200, it's her. It's 100% her. All right.
We noticed, I don't know for which work, we noticed some like airport drinks in the sand right here.
Yeah, there's alcohol. Can you, whoever's doing the toe slip, make sure to write down all the alcoholic drinks that are in the car. There's like a pack of beer in there, and there's a bottle of vodka on the floor. All right. Is this you? That's not you? What is your social? Well, I don't want to play that game. Okay, what's your last name?
That is me.
All right. You just look different. That's all I'm asking. Well, I don't know. I look way different from my ID picture too. Trust me. It was like 8 years ago. 209. Female 16 are out to the sub, starting 697. 313 will be following.
697, 1851.
So again, you said you don't want to blow. That's fine. I'm just gonna sit you in front of the machine. I just have to have it like run the tests, and then it's just gonna zero out because you're not gonna blow. It's just for my report. So, and then out from there we'll go to the. I can't. It's not like TV and stuff like that where we.
I thought you were taking me to the hospital.
So I'm gonna take you to the sub first, then I'm gonna take you to press now, and then get you evaluated. Unless for some reason you think you need to go right now. It's up to you. Are you injured in any way where you think you need to go be seen right now?
I don't have nothing to say. I'm talking to my lawyer.
Okay, well then I'm taking you to the sub.
You keep trying to talk to me.
I'll take you to the substation then.
Get my lawyer.
Okay. 209. So can you also start a deprivation period?
Deprivation study.
The woman was charged with leaving the scene of the accident and aggravated DWI for refusing the breath test. She will also have her mother in the courtroom making sure everything is done right.